Listen up, boys. I'm about to sing the new shoe song. New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nate Triple OG bringing to you another review. But today we're not gonna be talking about no sneakers. Check it out. So I'm just now starting to get into Supreme, right? I guess I fell for the hype. Yeah, it got me. I was the person that said I wouldn't be never buying no type of Supreme, this, that, and other. But what I have to admit is these accessories are pretty cool. So today is, I don't know, what is it, March 1st, I believe. Today is the 1st. I tried to hit on Supreme today. Took a straight L. I was going for those tennis balls. You know what I mean? The resale on those tennis balls are like ridiculous. They were like 16. I'll put it up in the corner on StockX showing you guys everything. So the retail originally was 16 bucks. You buy from Supreme, you gotta pay that $10 shipping and handling. So 26 bucks. Bruh, I cannot believe these tennis balls are going for like 86 bucks. The last time I checked, they were going for $86, and this shit is crazy. Straight crazy, excuse my French. But we're not here to talk about what happened this morning at 10 o'clock in Chicago because I was off. No, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the channel and something I want to do for you guys, my subscribers, the few that I have. Hopefully I can get more. So what I want to do is I want to give you guys my first Supreme pickup, which is last week's drop. Don't really care for Supreme. I'm trying to get into it. Pretty much manual. I'm trying to do it myself. But I don't really need this. I just got it so I can give away. So the piece that I will be giving away is the Supreme storage box. Now this is the large box. You know, still in the plastic and everything. I could take it out the box for you. But it's wrapped in like saran wrap. I don't know, like some type of plastic. I'm not sure how deep it is. I'll try to do some B-roll or something so you guys can see what it is. Probably play some funky music, something. Some shit that I like. I don't know. Just to show you guys. I don't really want it. I got it to give away. It came with one sticker. I didn't get the free gift, so I feel like I was extra play. I know my buddy, I'll promote his channel also, Q the Flu. He got like the free gift or whatever that they give. He got some poppy seeds and like a whole bunch of stickers. Supreme gave me the storage box, excuse me, not lock box, but the storage box and one sticker. Right, one sticker. Anyway, you guys don't care about that. Y'all don't care about me getting this one sticker. If you do, I'll give the sticker also. They didn't even give me a bag, man. But I'm not here to complain about Supreme. But, so I know what you're wondering, right? Like, dude, get to the point. How the hell do I get this box? How do I get the box? How do I get the storage box? So, this is all you have to do. Leave a comment below. You know, of any type of feedback. I don't know if you've seen any of my previous videos, but if you can leave me any type of feedback, you know what I mean, and just like the video, thumbs up or thumbs down, it doesn't matter, good or bad feedback, it's only going to help me get better, and I'm going to give this away. Once we get to, I don't know, maybe like, I guess, if we can get to 100 subscribers, if I can get 100 subscribers, I'll give this out to whoever leaves a comment. Just comment Supreme. Comment, you know, with your feedback. And then just comment Supreme. You know what I mean? Meaning you want to do the giveaway. And then I'll contact you back. You know what I mean? Through YouTube. Or you can send me a message on the back end of my channel. You know what I'm saying? Or, no. You comment, you leave Supreme, and then I will message you on the back end of your channel. So therefore I can get in contact with you so that you can get your box. You'll just have to pay shipping and handling. And then that's it. You know what I mean? I send this guys out to you. I mean, I'll send this Supreme storage box out to you guys. Anyway, thanks in advance for the feedback. Thanks in advance for the thumbs up. Thanks in advance for the thumbs down. It doesn't even matter to me. I just want to get better. Like I said before in my last video, I don't monetize my videos. I do this because I like to, and I like having fun with it. So, check me out. Leave that feedback, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Gotta go pick up these boys. It's your boy, Nature OG. Plain Jane Black T-shirt game. Gone. Shout out to the Raiders, baby. My bad. I know I said I was gone, but I forgot to do this part. Forgot to do some water bottle talk. Fuck. 45 bucks inside that water bottle. Remember, guys, we gotta save money. It's real important, man. At the end of the year, you know, we're gonna do something really big. Might even do a giveaway. Save money, water bottle talk. I got this idea from Mayor. It's something that he does. Hashtag water bottle talk. Save money, save money. Now we're going.
I can't see myself getting out the game no time soon. Ooh, as I continue